Alright, what's up guys? It's the Rubiks group. We have another unboxing, although it's already unboxed. Because why not? It always takes me like 10 minutes to open the box anyway. The bag, I don't really know. But we just did it ahead of time. If my voice sounds a little weird, that's because it is. I did get my wisdom teeth removed today. And every time I say M's and B's, I like die. So I'm probably gonna cry at the end of this video. Well, I'm trying my best to speak, okay? So, why I have these two cubes out, this is my main 7x7 and my main 5x5. This is a 7x7 and a 5x5, and a Rubiks Magic just for fun. I don't know how to do it, I'm just gonna show it. I just thought it was cool to get. But yeah, we're just gonna get right into this unboxing. I think it'll be pretty cool. Alright, so we're gonna start with the Magic. We're gonna do the least important thing first. If you don't know what the Rubiks Magic is, it's like a folding puzzle. It's not really a puzzle because it has the same solution every time. It was a WCA event, but it was a WCA event, but it was removed at the end of 2012. I don't even think I can open this. If I can't open this, I'll give myself like a good minute to try and figure it out. And then if I can't, I'll give up. Aha! I found it. Here it is. This is pretty cool. So yeah. Here it is. I know you're supposed to like fold it. That's really cool. I don't know how that works. That's insane. I don't know how to do it, so I can't show you like this whole. Alright, this, believe it or not, even though it's a bigger box, this is a 5x5 and this is a 7x7. Crazy. So we're gonna unbox the 5x5. This is a Pro Shop MGC 5x5. As shown right there. So I can't wait to get into it. My main right now is a Wei Shuang. So we got a nice little card and a stand. And the cube. I'm really excited for this cube. Alright. Let's just get this plastic off. Oh, I really like the texture of the outside. Oh my goodness. This is a really good 5x5. Holy moly. Compared to my old 5x5, my old 5x5 definitely turns faster, but it's non-magnetic and locks up a lot. This seems really insane. So I'm going to do a quick solve on it, even though I'm not what you would call quick. But don't worry, it's not going to take like 10 minutes. Oh man, that locked up so easily. Like I didn't even do anything and it just died. Alright. Alright. I'm pretty slow at 5x5. But this is probably gonna take my times off a little even. Yeah, I'm torturing myself talking right now. This mouth hurt. That's probably gonna be the title of this video, mouth hurt. Alright, let's see here. I'm really bad at edges. That's why I'm not good. Sorry I did that. That's just me trying not to drool. because I cannot control my mouth. So, well, you know, anything for a video. Alright. I've got 7 edges, 8 edges. Huh? What did I do? Alright, that's edges. Alright, that time was 2:13. That's a pretty decent time for me. That's actually a really good time for me. My best is 2:07. So that's pretty close to my best. I'm definitely gonna get probably sub 2 with this immediately. Because this is like an $8. I don't know, I got it for Christmas. Alright, next is the Yushin Little Magic Magnetic 7x7. That's a really cool picture. I love that. But we're gonna get right into this cube. Come on. There we go. Hold up. Why is there a 4x4 tutorial in here? That's not right. Oh, it's a 4x4 and a 5x5 tutorial. I don't get that. Why is that in a 7x7? Okay, just put that aside. This is my only ever 7x7. I got it back in 2018. It was my very first unboxing video is when I got this cube. So if you want, you can go and watch that. It's really bad because I was like 2. So this seems to be pretty small compared to this. This is the Cyclone Boys G7, by the way. Yeah, it's definitely around 2 millimeters smaller. I really like the green on this. The shades are really good. The brighter red, better blue, better orange. I love that white. I love that white, yeah. Alright, we're just gonna get into turns. Ooh. That's not what I was expecting. This definitely needs some lube. It's pretty stiff. Let's see how middle layers do. Same as outer layers, it's really stiff. So, I'm gonna lube this and see how it does. I'm probably just gonna put in some D&M 37 or something. So I'm gonna go get that real quick. Hold up. Alright, so I got D&M 37 right here. We're going to just put a little in it. And just do quick checkerboard. Oh yeah, that's immediately helping. This is definitely a lot better than what it was without the lube. It's still pretty stiff. It probably just needs to be broken in. But it's a lot better than this. I'll do a solve on the 3x3 stage of this, so you can see how like doing algorithms will work on here. Okay. That's definitely better than any 3x3 stage that I've gotten on my other 7x7. So I think this will work. Like doing algorithms. It'll seem fine. So yeah, that's all for today. My mouth is in very much pain right now. It hurts a lot. Ow. But hopefully you enjoyed this video. And as always, I'll see you in the next video.